Alright, this is from Nana and Granddaddy.
Keep tearing.
Tear it.
Look, there's some more. Oh, tear this piece.
Whoa!
What is it? Pull that piece. I think it's something for your kitchen. Oh, look, it's a cooking set. Let's open
Oh boy. It'll go in your kitchen.
Sit down.
Did you get a kitchen from Santa? Where's your kitchen?
Where's your kitchen?
Is it downstairs?
Tear it.
You like to tear it.
Trash.
Oh, look, it's a pot.
Oh my.
It's a pot.
It might be nicer than our pots. You got a pot.
This is very hard with one hand.
Let me see.
Annabelle, can
Oh,
you
yeah,
help
one
me
hand too.
out here? It's a pot for your kitchen.
Say thank you, Nana. And thank you, Granddaddy.
Thank you for allowing.
Say Merry Christmas. And ho ho ho.
Look! See it? Where's it go?
Alright. Look.
And a skillet.
Is there a yacht in that pot?
Oh, Annabelle, look what else there is. Look, Annabelle. Look, it's a spatula
Oh my.
for your kitchen. Look. And a whisk. Goodness gracious.
We're just gonna film Mom in her battle.
Annabelle, look. I'll drop this. And, oh, look, Annabelle, a ladle. Go take it to your kitchen.
That was fun. Say thank you, Nana.